Hello, everyone! If you're watching this video, chances are you need to take a screenshot on your Samsung M47 but aren't sure which method works. Maybe you're trying to save an important message, capture a high score in a game, keep a receipt, or share something interesting with your friends. The good news is that your Samsung M47 offers several easy ways to take screenshots, and in this video, I'll show you all of them. Be sure to watch until the end, because I'll also show you how to take a long scrolling screenshot. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to capture an entire web page, a long conversation, or a document without taking multiple separate screenshots. In addition, I'll explain how to capture only part of the screen instead of the entire display. This is perfect when you want to save just a specific section of a web page, message, or image without cropping it later. Many Samsung users don't even realize this option exists, but once you learn it, you'll probably use it all the time. Everything in this tutorial is simple and beginner-friendly. You won't need to install any apps, connect your phone to a computer, or change complicated settings. Just follow along with me step by step, and within a few minutes, you'll know every important screenshot feature available on the Samsung M47.